Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful morning. Today we're continuing on the summary writing task. So remember, yesterday I did teach you that summary is a short form of something, right? So I did give you things that you should not include in the summary, and you're really smart. I really do hope you put those things in not form, things that you should not include in the summary, so you know them. There's a list. Memorize the list of things and make sure never to include them in your own summary. So today we're learning the summary, and as in the way it's written in the exam. So the summary writing task is in two. The first task, you're asked to write notes. You're asked to write notes. So the notes may or may not be in your own words. I repeat, the notes may or may not be in your words. What do I mean by that? It means that you can copy paste information from the passage. This would still be correct. So here you're simply being tested. Your ability to select information is the one that is being tested here. I hope I'm clear. So your ability to select information from the passage and put them, and taking that relevant information concerning the question, putting them in note form is being tested here. And both here are very important because they serve us. They are the ones that you're going to turn into a summary. So the summary itself is taken from the notes. So the notes will do what? You're going to take them and put them in the summary form. All right. So it really does make it easy for you when you're writing a summary. The notes do make it easy for you because you know which points you're focusing on. All right. So it's like a prequel to your summary, and it makes it very easy because the summary is focusing on what? On the information that you've already put in, not form. All right. And also here you have to make a distinction. The summary here is testing your ability to do what? To write things in your own words, your ability to paraphrase, you put them in your own words. So you have information in the passage, but you should not copy paste. You should use this. You should take this information and put them in your own words. It's a key word here. The key phrase, own words. And then, of course, if you look at other not writing tasks, you have to what? You have to you can take the words as they are written in the passage. You don't have to paraphrase them, or you don't have to use similar words. You just have to copy and paste them if you like, or if you can also use your own words. That is all correct. So, guys, I'll give you a past paper, and in this past paper, you have to write the question summary. You have to focus on the summary question only. Focus on the summary question only. Don't focus on anything else. All right. So you first and foremost, the first task will be to write the notes, and the second task will be to write the summary. But remember what not to include. What not to include in the here. Sorry, rather here. I'm supposed to write what not to include in the summary. Remember that. Yeah. So remember what not to include in the summary. Okay. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Please practice the question. Remember, practice makes perfect. All right. Practice makes perfect. And and there's a proverb or a saying that goes like it says, "Failing to practice, practicing to fail." All right. So here, nobody wants to practice to fail. So if you fail to practice